The management of Kalyan Jewellers joins us now. Ramesh Kalyanaraman, Executive Director with Kalyan Jewellers. Ramesh, good morning. Thank you for joining us. There was a seasonality at play, which is what I think the numbers are indicating. Was it largely because of heat and less wedding days?
Yeah, so the revenue has been good. We have grown India by 29%. SSGs have been very strong in the range of 12 to 13%. And again, even after a very volatile gold price in the last quarter, and also the number of wedding days were lesser in the last quarter, even then we could do 12 to 13%, and it comes from a big base of SSG also. So Q1 of the previous year, the SSGs were 15%. So it was very positive, and across markets we see very good momentum.
Expect the momentum this time for the Diwali, Dussehra and the wedding season will be strong again, or there could be a bit of a slowdown given what the base is and where the economy is and how inflation has been?
No, as we speak, before we talk about Diwali Q3, Q2 has started off very well. July, the first 2.5 weeks were very good. SSGs were very similar to what we saw in Q1. And again, post the duty cut by the government, the momentum has further accelerated. Very good footfalls at the store. SSGs are very strong. But of course, that can be a short term because people come in immediately when they saw a gold price decrease. But we have very good momentum now at the stores, and Q2 also should do well, is what we think. Diwali is too early to decide, but we don't see anything drastically changing for Q3 because store additions are happening, SSGs are strong, and the team on the ground are also doing well, and the shift from unorganized to organized is further accelerated. So we don't think anything drastically changing for this financial year. And I'm not concerned about the high base of Q3.
Right, Mr. Kalyanaraman, morning. Now, during the budget as well, the government went ahead and reduced the customs duty on gold imports to 6% from 15%. Tell us what the impact is on inventory losses, and will this impact be felt only in Q2 or even in Q3, according to you?
Yes, so there can be a P&L hit because of the customs duty to the range of 120 crore, and it will be shared between Q2 and Q3. But that's a one time.
Okay. The import duty on gold has come down. Gold prices come down. Will that move? Does that move anything for you?
So two things. One, it is not only that the gold price came down for a consumer. Okay, for a consumer, the footfall which we see now, the accelerated footfall is majorly because the gold price came down by 7-8%. Over and above that, there is a midterm, long-term impact wherein the shift from unorganized to organized gets further accelerated because of this, because the pricing difference between an unorganized to organized again comes down because of this, which for a consumer is a further lever to come to an organized player rather than going to an unorganized.
What about your outlook then on the lightweight jewelry? That seems to be the latest trend. Do you have any expansion plans over here? When will that segment move to profits, and what's the growth outlook?
So the Candier, our digital first platform, we are into serious expansion in that platform. We opened 11 physical showrooms in Q1. We have added already 2 in July, and the plan is to add at least 20 more before Diwali. And we are almost in the final stage of finalizing the brand strategy on campaigns, on product segment and communication style, etc. And I think we will be able to roll out the first set of campaigns before Diwali. And that is where the brand becomes active. Till that, now our focus is to build the physical store so that the demand which we create can be absorbed.
Appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.